I really need to get a new chair. Yes, as the title and thumbnail of this video suggests, I caved and purchased the Libernovo Omni dynamic ergonomic chair. And unlike 99.9% of the YouTube influencers on here, I actually bought this with my own money. Hell of a concept, right? No sponsorships, no they sent me this chair, zero obligations to Libernovo. So in this video, I'm going to do a detailed unboxing, assembly, and if you stick around, I'll give you my brutally honest first impressions of this chair. So let's get started. We'll start out here with the main box. The main box is large at 28 inches by 29 inches, weighs roughly 70 pounds, and barely fits through a standard doorway. And as you can see here immediately, detailed instructions right on top. The delivery showed up with no real visible damage to the packages. Everything seems to be really well packaged. I typically like to get everything out of the box and laid out before assembly. And yes, I am making sure to keep all boxes and packing material in case I need to return this chair to Libernovo. And this box here contains all of the smaller parts. The first step is going to be attaching the caster wheels to the base. As well as the gas lift. Now I'm setting the seat frame onto the gas lift. And here I'm attaching the linkage rod to the motor mounting hole. Now I'm attaching the seat cushion. And now I'm connecting the wiring. Next, I'm installing the seat adjustment and tilt tension knob. There's a small part in this bag that needs to be removed, and it will be used later for the backrest installation. Here I'm installing the backrest. And now inserting the neck rest. And lastly, inserting the battery. I also got the footrest. Again, with the instructions right on top. We start off by attaching these height adapters to the bracket chassis, as well as the tripod column. Next is the pedal. And then the adjustment knob. And lastly, the leg rest. And then my purchase came with bonus items as well. This first item is what they call a step sink mat, which is an accessory that goes with the footrest. And this is apparently an eco-friendly tote bag. And lastly, a silk eye mask. And here's the end result. So had I not been filming, both the chair and footrest would have taken around 20 minutes to assemble. Libernovo also provides an assembly video on YouTube, which I found was easier to follow along than the printed instructions. I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Now, at the time of this video, I've had this chair for 2 days, and I have to say, I'm not very impressed at this point. I know some chairs take a while to break in, and it could be the ergonomics, but I just don't find this chair to be comfortable. As far as comfort goes, my main complaint would be the backrest. It just feels kind of hard and lumpy, and the ergonomic shape of the backrest just doesn't feel ergonomic to me, regardless of how I adjust the backrest. My only other real complaint would be the armrests and how freely they move around. So right now, I honestly don't think I can recommend this chair. I really can't. I want to love this chair, but so far it's been a battle. With that said, my next video will be a deep dive 2-week review of this chair and the footrest. I'll cover everything in much greater detail, so be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss that one. I have heard some people say that ergonomic chairs do take a while for your body to adapt to, so we'll see in the next video. See ya.